my name is Stuart. I lead the team here at Waymaker. I'm excited to show you how to bring external data into Waymaker Playbooks. Okay, to show you external data embedded inside a Waymaker Playbook, I'm going to jump into our example playbook here, a business plan, and I'm going to load up two examples, a Power BI integration and a Tableau integration. Both are using page sections over here on the right hand side, which allow you to insert written content, iFrame content, or Waymaker data. Now, iFrame content allows you to embed any kind of iFrame content. So that's what we're going to use to embed some secure or publicly shared dashboards. And I'll show you an example of each using Power BI and Tableau. I'm going to jump right to the end and show you something I cooked up before, which will be a corporate spend report from Power BI and a paid media dashboard from Tableau. So if I jump down into our playbook, I can see the corporate spend report from Power BI embedded inside our content. You can go ahead and type new content. You can engage and work with the Power BI dashboard and report. You can do anything you would normally do with that Power BI report or dashboard. The second example is Tableau. I'll show a paid media dashboard coming in from Tableau, which you can see loading on this screen. Again, an embedded dashboard. You would have done this many times if you're used to working with dashboards and reports. And all the data is live coming across from Tableau if you're using Tableau for your corporate or business dashboarding and reporting. Now, I'm going to show you how to get these in. It's really simple. So first up, let's go back to our Power BI. All I will do is add a section. So I'm going to click Add Section. I'm going to choose iFrame. I'm going to paste in the iFrame that I can get from Power BI. You'll come into Power BI, choose File, Embed Report, Website or Portal, depending on your security settings, and choose the iFrame content that you can paste into a website. So go ahead and select that and copy it, come back to your playbook, drop your iFrame content in. If you're familiar with iFrames, you can play with your heights and your widths, update, and it will load your Power BI report or dashboard for you. Now, you will need to ensure that as a user, you have A, the rights, and B, you're signed in to view if it's not a public dashboard. Let's look at Tableau. It's the same process. So we've got our existing Tableau dashboard here. I'll just reinstall it, add a section, choose an iFrame. I'm going to go across to my Tableau dashboard, go to my sharing settings, copy the embed code, come back to Waymaker, drop in my embed code, hit update. Again, you can play with your widths and sizes if you're familiar with your HTML embed code. Update that and it will drop that in. You can now see I've got a new dashboard ready to go. Waymaker Playbooks are made up of pages. Pages are made up of sections, and those sections can be written content, embedded content, or Waymaker data, goals, outcomes, scorecards, tasks, or roadmaps.